Now, to the end, I want to show you a unique feature of MultiSal. This is the typical structure of MultiSal you see on your left. We have the core and we have the shell. I mentioned at the beginning that it's possible to use all the compartments of MultiSal to encapsulate ingredients, the core, the center, and also the shell. So here is a MultiSal flavor. You see, we can take a MultiSal and encapsulate not only in the core, I will show it again, we can encapsulate a flavor, a different flavor in the shell. In this case, we could do some of the following examples. You see strawberry cooling. So the strawberry is in the shell and the inside is the cooling. So when you break it, first you get the flavor from the shell, then you get the cooling, okay? Now, it must be a big difference in the flavor between the one on the outside and the one in the inside. Outside, I mean the shell, inside, I mean the core. Cannot easily incorporate, for example, chocolate and vanilla, because vanilla is in both chocolate and in the vanilla. So many people don't get the change. So they don't appreciate, why do I need to use it? But if you have strawberry and cooling, then you can think about an ice cream or chewing gum. And I tell you something else, even drinks. Several liquors are using this in order to give the switch in the chain, in the sensory benefit. And lime margarita, you know that lime margarita, they're putting salt on the surface of the cup, okay? Salt. Imagine mixing MultiSal in the salt. Now you open a whole new opportunity to increase the sensation of lime margarita. Lime margarita is very popular as a lip balm. Now, watermelon and cooling is another one, which basically combining watermelon with peppermint or other kind of refreshing mint. And of course, peppermint and cooling, then peppermint is a little milder than just cooling. So first you get peppermint or spearmint and cooling. This is only a few ideas to show you what one can do with MultiSal flavor cooling.